Welcome back guys, and in this video I want to show you how to create a GitHub profile. So now I've scrabbled everything, and when you go to my profile here on GitHub, it looked pretty much very bad, it just looked very bad, nothing at all, like just the normal GitHub, you know, a number of repositories here, and then you scroll down, there is nothing actually interesting on this profile. So without further ado, let us dive in and let me show you how you can be able to create a beautiful and a beautiful GitHub profile that can be easily to navigate, that shows your skills, all those things. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, you need to create a new repository. And while you're creating a new repository, make sure that the name of the repository is the same name as your username. All right, so when you put your username there, it will tell you something like, this is a special repository with readme. You ought to get this prompt here, and then description, I'll just say profile. Of course this need to be public, and then you need to add a readme. Make sure you also add a readme, otherwise you won't be able to work with this. And then these other things do not matter, and then just click create repository. And so this will create a repository, with this readme with hi there. And then the second thing is very simple. I'll leave a link in the description. Click on this link, it will take you to a page like this. All right, to a page like this. So just click on the link, it will take you to this page, and this is where you generate, all the data or the code that you need to put in the readme, so that it can be able to render a preview of your profile. So yeah, I'm going to answer this very fast. Title, hi, I am Kevin Amai. Subtitle, work, I'm currently working on a vehicle tracker project. The link is there. And then we have Rust. We have asked me about Laravel, Livewire, Flutter View, how to reach me. My email is there. My GitHub uh, link is there. My profile link, that is. And then uh, you can add the blog link, the resume link, and then you have the skills. If you have any skills that you want to add, and on this skill, make sure you add them in a order of precedence, because the way you choose them, they're the way they'll be shown on the profile, right? So I can choose them very fast here. Front-end development, the same, back-end development, AI database, choose all the skills that you need. And then lastly, we have the socials here. So you can add GitHub, the Twitter name, the dev, the code sandbox username, the Stack Overflow ID, the linked username, the LinkedIn username, the Kaggle username, Facebook username, Instagram, Dribble, all those things that you need to add. And then once you have done that, you can add here, maybe you want an add-on for for GitHub trophy, whatever the top skill, I can add this, maybe Twitter badge, whatever. And then lastly, if you scroll down, you can buy this guy a coffee. And yeah, and for now, I'll just click generate readme. So this will generate a small code here. As you can see, this is the code. And what you want to do is to copy the markdown, all right? And then go to your GitHub whereby you have created the repository. Click the edit button there. So once you've clicked the edit button, just, highlight these things that are here and just uh, paste your code there, and that is it. And then click commit changes. So there are a couple of things that you can do on this readme. For example, you can add a photo, you can add GIF, but that is just for another time. For now, all you want to do is to save this guy. And now when I commit these changes, on this readme file, now look how beautiful this is. And I've just done a couple of few things. I haven't even added my social media links. And now if I navigate and say, for example, if I go to my profile now, just check this out. Look how now it appears. In how many minutes? I believe it's around 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes or so. Yeah, and I've been able to achieve this. So this is really wonderful, and that is how you're able to create your GitHub profile.